We're back with the second edition of Cat Animal Planet Science. This is the edition called Cats Gone Wild. See what happens when a cat gets pushed to her limit. This is Nina, a wild kitten that can be found in the Australian Pacific desert, and she's going wild right now. Not yet, but she will be, because of a dispute she's having with another wild animal. If you can see here, she's looking around confusedly because she sees a lot of flying objects and doesn't know which one she should catch. Of course, her instincts tell her to go for the big one, but she's just a kitten, so she's not fast enough and slick enough to do it. She's laying flat in the grass because she wants to look blend in, and she's doing a pretty good job because her fur is naturally colored so that she will blend in. Of course, me being a human, I have a frontal lobe, so I can tell that is clearly a kitten. But some people are slow, so they could think this is a pile of leaves and grass, and when they're least expecting, she can jump out and well, this in the story right there. Now, for the going wild part. There is a bird around here. I could easily show you this, but there's not. So, notice the big brown tarantula. Never mind, she's going to get the bee. Don't get a bee, do not get a bee. If you notice, Nina is going for her prey. She actually caught it. Nina caught her prey, but it did something and flew away, and now she can't have it anymore. Now she's trying to catch the light reflection of my camera, which is not a wild animal, so I don't know why she's going after it. She cannot eat it. There's no reason to harm it. Now, if you look here at the, oh, she found something else to catch. Now, if you look here at the, giant brown tarantula, it is sitting on a rock, moving its leg. The cat is getting annoyed, so it runs off. It's a little bit ticked off, but it's not gone wild yet. But soon, it will be. Now, before I show the cat going wild, I think you should learn something about the huge brown tarantula. This is the huge brown tarantula. It looks similar to a hand, but it's not. It's an animal. Now, the cat sees the tarantula again. She's a little frustrated because she's tired of the tarantula disturbing her peace. As it approaches her face, she gets a little angry, and it starts to crawl all over her back, and then gets her face, and she gets madder and madder until she, oh, crikey, it's got her, and she runs off. And that is what happens when you mix two different species of animals, and one becomes predator and one becomes, oh, wrong accent. One becomes predator and one becomes prey. The segment of Cats Gone Wild will continue later on today, where we will be in a different setting. Goodbye, and thanks for your time.